This is state versus Mukesh. I need to state versus Modikanna. Sorry, I made a big mistake. Wait. Yes. Is it the screen is viewable to everyone, right? I shared it or not the screen?
No, sir.
Just just wait. I will do it. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I thought I already shared the screen. Now I am sharing. Just wait. One second. Yeah. Now is it? I think my screen is viewable to everyone. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm coming here. Look at this. The case number one. That is client interview related one. State versus Mondi Kanna, prepared by Dr. Aman Hingaroni. Okay. Here's some note for participation. You want to do these particular things. No. After that, I will explain about that. Just to go through. I will tell you who want to do it. Just wait. Look at this. Vineet George, outside Delhi University. I cannot accept that one because I don't know this person. Is it Vinit
Sir, he
Chaudhary?
is from the class.
Then why he's coming through this other invitation wise? Already I sent it to everybody, right?
Sir, I'll tell him to join through the
Look
official
at this.
email ID.
Yeah, look at this again. Junait Amir also. He also looking at I think some other ID, other invitation link. Hello, somebody said he's also from our section.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But he might be using private mail ID or maybe link. Na? When I'm saying sending section E, I send special link. Through that link, if he's joining, how it is showing to me? Just look at the screen. Is it readable, madam? Na? Amit, just wait. I will show to you big. Look at this, Junait Amir, outside University of Delhi. Showing to me or not? He might be using the link, maybe other section link. Might be his own personal mail, Gmail account. I think at least whoever attending here, you might be understanding about that. What I said. Is it okay? What I said? He might
Hello?
be try to joining with the with our section E class.
Hello?
Google Meet link might be other section link or might be personal na unka Gmail address, not Delhi University official mail address. I think so because it's showing to me. I'm not doing anything personally. When he try to joining na, look at this. Someone want to because he's not my section. That kind of feeling they created. Why? Because it might be a personal mail ID, Gmail I'm not accept that one. Yeah. Okay. Please, anyone, please go to. Why this itna bada session? Sure. Already, Mondi Kanna. Silender Singh is there. Last time I have some work. Sir, please begin the class. Harsh, try to start this particularly page number 157, right? Otherwise, you should read my screen wise. There is no problem. Harsh Singh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please start go through this one. Please, everyone, listen quietly. Don't ask any question while reading. The end of the statement, then only we will start about the question and interaction. Okay,
Sir, do I
Shraddha,
read from
you
your
can start
screen?
this
I do not
particularly
have the
statement
casement.
of. If you have casement in your laptop or in your system, you can read. There is no problem.
I don't have
I
it yet.
also
I'll,
show the.
I'll I'll read it from your screen, sir.
Okay, that's good. I will put my cursor here. When you're reading, na, when the page is end, then I will go to the next page.
Sure,
Yeah,
sir.
Harsh is going to read. Please, everyone, listen peacefully. Don't disturb. Don't interact in between the reading time.
Statement of Kashish. My name is Kashish Singh. My father's name Zorawar Singh. I'm 19 years old and my residential address is flat number 5B, Janakpuri, Delhi.
1 minute. Yeah, number point number two. Yes, you can now move forward. It is visible now. No problem. Right?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
make it more size?
No, it's fine, sir. I have two sisters, both younger to me. One is aged 16 years and the other is aged 14 years. My father died 1 year ago. My mother and my paternal grandmother stay with us. I am the sole earning member of the family. I've been working in a travel agency known as Honeymoon Travels Limited since December 15, year 1. I'm the personal secretary to the director of the company. I was given to understand at the time of my appointment that in this line, we employees are expected to stay back late at work if required. I know Monty Khanna, who is the personal secretary to the managing director of the company. He is about 40 years old. He is married and has a daughter my age. He has been with the company for the last 15 years. Monty Khanna was very friendly when he met me. Rather, he was over friendly. He used to always compliment me when he saw me. He told me how nice my hair looks and how smooth and fair my complexion was. He always wanted to take me out for coffee. On my birthday on December 21st, year 1, he even tried to hug me. I was surprised at such familiarity. He just laughed at my awkwardness and said that I should consider myself lucky as it was not every girl who could get helped by an influential person like him. I did not say anything or complain about him as I thought that maybe he's like that by nature. Also, I had just joined the job and he could have thrown me out of the job as he had been there for 15 years. Nobody would believe me as he was married and had a good reputation. On December 31st, year 1, we all employees were asked to attend the office party organized to celebrate New Year's Eve at Happy Hotel. Monty Khanna told me in the afternoon that he would pick me up by 7 p.m. So that we could reach the hotel by 8 p.m. as required. I was hesitant to go with him but had no option as I do not have a car and did not want to travel alone at night using public transport. Also, he had his driver with him. As soon as I got in this as soon as I got in his car, Monty Khanna told me that I was looking gorgeous in my sari. He had that funny look in his eye. I tried to maintain a normal conversation. We reached the hotel at about 8:15 p.m. The party was organized in the Easy Life restaurant in the top floor of the hotel. As soon as we got into the lift to go to the top floor, Monty Khanna tried to hold my hand. I pushed it away and told him to control myself. He pulled me towards him and tried to kiss me. He said we should enjoy ourselves and that nobody would find out. I started crying for my mother. I told him that I would scream if he came near me. He then calmed down. I was too shocked and upset at his conduct to say anything. On reaching the top floor, I rushed out of the lift, scared and terrified. The manager of the restaurant was surprised to see my fallen face. He asked me what the matter was, but I kept quiet as I was so embarrassed. Throughout the party, Monty Khanna was eyeing me. I felt uneasy about it. I left the party early and went home. I was too ashamed and worried to tell my mother about the incident, what she might think. I could hardly concentrate at work. I wanted to kill myself because I would have to see Monty Khanna at work every day. Next day at work, I did not meet Monty Khanna. I was tense the whole day and broke down when my colleague Purnima asked me what was the problem. I told her about it. She was very angry and told me to complain to the managing director immediately about Monty Khanna. After a week, I told my mother about it. After all, if I kept quiet, he would behave like that with someone else. My mother talked to my uncle, with whom I went to the police and lodged my complaint.
Signed and dated. Okay. I think everyone listened to this one. How to do the factual analysis? That is mean research. Legal research, they have two kind of research. One is factual, the other one is legal. So legal research might be primary material, secondary material. Through that we can find out the answer. But the factual merit, it's very very important to that one. So today we will do this particular one statement. I say the word only one statement from the side of Kashish Singh. Through this, what are the questions we can raise? That is the first question. To this fact, what are the questions we can raise? You can type it in the chat box, everyone. What are the questions we can try to do or we can ask through the factual analytical skill? We want to learn something factual analysis, right? So what are the questions we can ask simply? Any idea? Simply all the WH question we can raise it through this fact. For example, who involved, where the action was happen, when should be happen, and what are the place or those kind of whatever the WH question you can try to raise. Then you can find out the answer who involved, when it was happened, where it was happened, whom along with them. Okay, this kind of question should be normally all the WH question we can try to ask. Then only we can find out the ideas. Yes, this is the factual. This factual going to make something cause of action. The cause of action going to make something criminal action or maybe civil action against the particular person. You might be in civil case and criminal case. So through that only when we do the research now regarding factual analysis, we can find out whether it is a criminal case or whether it is a criminal case. Before that, what we want to do it, what the person, sorry, what kind of action was happened. This action, whether it is legally permissible or not permissible. If it is illegal, the illegal action, whether it is civil right related action or criminal related action. So through that, through the action only, through the fact, we want to find out that one. So simply, I will go to ask one question to everyone. You can type in the corner, the chat box. You can type everybody. Something she was all the circumstances regarding the particular incident. Yeah, Sabbo Mavde, that's the right one. So first question is, who all are involved in this fact? In this fact, here mean the statement one, particularly Kashish Singh. Statement wise, who are the person, or maybe men, female, or both, whoever involved here. The word whoever involved here, please type it in your chat box. I'm looking. Yeah, Kashish Singh and Mondi Khanna, two member. Any other member, please? Accused victim. Okay, later Purnima. Yeah, her friend also. The third one is Purnima. Any other answer, please? Everyone want to participate. Not only 10 people. Other people don't sleep. Yeah, director, MD or managing director and Purnima. Yes. Kashish, her mother. They mention it. Uncle, they mention it. The driver. Yes, absolute right one. The driver also mention it. Her friend Purnima. Her mom. Okay, mom name is not mentioned. Father name also is there. Okay, any other person? Hotel manager, yes, absolute right. Yeah, hotel manager also involved. The colleague who saw her at party. Yeah, colleagues, a lot of colleagues. Okay, colleagues also involved. The hotel manager, yes, already mentioned. Ankuraj, thank you so much. Any other? So do one thing, you can type all the members. For example, Gautam Srivastava, he mentioned accused, victim, mother, uncle, Purnima, driver, hotel manager. For example, if you person, right? Unknown person. We don't know the name through statement, but the person is involved. Yes, her friend, Purnima, Ruchi, he's not. I am not asking how she went back. That kind of that question. I'm not asking that question. I simply asked whoever involved this particular statement, whatever whoever involved person, try to find out. One person, please type number one, Kashish Singh. Number two, Mondikanna. Number three, Purnima. Number four, driver. Number five, manager. Number six, what exactly the person? Mother. Number seven, police. Those just to type it and send it to me here. The WhatsApp chat. Sorry, WhatsApp that person. Listen, when I'm asking question, please answer that particular question. Then we will go to move further. Those who saw them together. Okay, Silent Singh. All those who saw them together. Okay, unknown person, maybe a few more person. Simply we can use few more colleagues are in the party members. Yes. So more than nine members or nine person. Person mean knowing unknowing people. Knowing at least knowing people, if you the visible wise na in the statement wise. I don't know why the people is coming and why the people is particularly in this online classes na. If you are very clever, there is no problem for me. I will show you just 1 minute. Wait, where exactly? I didn't save this one. Just wait. The Delhi University rules, just wait, I will show to you, then only you know what exactly. Each and every time I want to do this, I really, it's not good to me. Look at this. Remember to correctly take and monitor the attendance. All students must be visible in your meet window for the entire duration of your class. Then only your attendance will be happen. So coming and going, it's not going to help to you. You understand about that one? When you are joining the class now, the time should be mentioned here. The remember, that is mean reminding to me as well as to every student to correctly take and monitor the attendance. All students must be visible in your meet window for the entire duration of your class. If you are coming and going, that is not my problem, that is your problem. Your attendance not going to taken, it's not going to consider about your attendance coming and going. I already said which time you are coming, which time you are left the classroom, a particular Google classroom. I said again and again. Okay, if you are not understanding, that is your problem. Look at this, who is involved? One question, what is involved, and when did the event occur? Where did the events occur? Why did the event occur? Why did the participant act in this way? These all are the questions that factual research should be asked by every student. I will repeat it again. Just look at this my screen. If you want to make it more big size, I will make it. Yeah, I already highlighted. Is it readable way? Is it viewable to everyone? If anybody please read it. Anyone? Just wait. I will tell you. Ruchi Barga, please read it. My screen message. That question. Ruchi Barga, please read it.
Yes, the factual categories that we should take care of are who is
Hmm.
involved, what are the
Yes.
parties, what is involved means what is the case, when did the events occur, where did the events occur, why did the events occur, and why did your will, the participants, they acted in this way.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ruchi. In this, all the questions should be find out to yourself. Yes, Abhay Sachan, really very good. I appreciate you. Just look at the message box. How he mentioned all the numbers. Absolute right way. Is it viewable to all the message? Just to see. Abe Sachan. The name is maybe I might be pronounced wrongly. Look at this, the involved parties. The right way, he exactly right way he mentioned. The number one, Kashish Singh, number two, Monty Khanna, number three, mother, number four, director of the particular place, then five, managing director, and six, driver, seven, hotel manager, eight, police station, because they went to the police, maybe many police might be there. Because she doesn't mention there is no police. She said, I went to police station. So, police officer, and uncle, and friend Purnima. Who involved? The question, the who involved, the answer is absolutely right. If something more also might be happen. Look at this. What is involved? How we will go to think about it? What is involved mean the cause of action. Try to kissing her and try to holding her hand and some other incident also. So forget about that question. We will go to the third question. When did the events occur? The question now, the time. Just try yourself. For example, I will show to you. Just wait. I will show to the where is the screen? Yeah, it is there. Ah, first this statement wise, you can find out time. Which time exactly this incident was happened? I said the time only. Please mention the time. Please try to type it. Everyone should be participated. I'm waiting for your answer. Yeah, New Year evening. So evening is one time. Sailendra Singh he mentioned evening. Is it appropriately the exact time is it mentioned? Please try to find out everyone. Sailendra, you can do it. Some place I saw the time, exact time, particularly the incident time. She mentioned some time. Anurag, I don't know why he's left. That is his problem. Yeah, 8:15.
Yes,
Yes,
around 8:15.
absolute right one. 8:15. Then might be the incident 8:15 and 8:16. Yes, lift in the lift. No. The statement mentioned sometime. The statement mean Kasi statement only. Just to look at this Kasi statement only. I think everyone have your system, so try to open it. Yeah, 8:15, 8:16, 8:15, 8:15. Yes, the one person, Abe Chacha is the right way. He mentioned 7 p.m. They reach, na, particularly. Then only they travel to the hotel, right? 7 p.m. also is there. Yes, absolute right one. Any other time mentioned in this particular statement wise, please find out. 8 p.m. also mentioned, but nobody till now mentioned. But if you look at this statement, Kasi statement, 8 p.m. the term is there. 8 p.m. it is there. Anybody tell me the page number exact? Sorry, paragraph number and page number, statement number. Anybody find out? Can I tell you 8 p.m. Look at this hotel 8 p.m.
The page number 154.
Number five. Yes. Number five na line number five pe they mentioned 8 p.m. also. Try to find out any other time. Is it anything more time is mentioned by this statement? Para number 5, 6. Yes, Subham Bhate, thank you so much. Para number 5. Yes, absolute right. Find out any time if they mention any time particularly. I'm not asking the date. I will ask next question. Which date? I will ask the next question. First, you can find out the time, exact time, the incident time. 7 p.m. Yes, right one. 8 p.m. is the right one. 8:15 p.m. is the right one. Any other time if they mention it in this question? Sorry, in this statement. Sorry. Statement. Any other time? Evening is they are not mentioning, but the evening mean that day evening. Okay, that is mean you might be after 4 p.m. Okay, so that also one time. Evening mean something the time is there, but not exactly specific time. So evening also we can consider, there is no problem. The first statement there is no time. Or second para there is no time. Fourth para is it any time, there is no time. Fifth, fourth time. I didn't find out. If I find out, I will tell you. Yeah, I didn't find out more time. Is it okay? So which date? Try to find out that date. Number wise as well as one place they mentioned. After a week they mentioned that one place, the week, that is mean week also making something. For example, if the incident they went to the party for 31st December night, and that is mean 31st to 1 week. So you can calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 after 7 days, maybe with the 7 days the particular date. So that also, yes, next day. Yes, next day means 1st January, exactly right. She told to the Purnima. Yes, Ruchi Barga, the right answer. Yes, December 21, Sachi Rajesh Dolia. She mentioned December 21 and December 31. Yes, absolute right one. Any other? Any other date? Any other date? The particular date, uh, date, particular day. Yeah, any other? If you find out, yeah, someone meant sixth. Sixth mean whether December or what exactly sixth. The date is sixth. Akash Panchal, what you try to mention it, the particular date. Sixth mean action speaks here. The action might be the allegation. Okay, forget about the action. Kashish Singh, what she tried to make allegation. What are the allegation she tried to make it against the Mondikanna? Allegation or complaint against the Mondikanna. Try to find out what kind of allegation. Yes, sir, I mentioned that time. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Sexual harassment. Yeah, one legal term. Absolute right, Sambhavi. Sambhavi Srivastava. Absolute right one. Police also. Yeah, police also. Yes, Gautam, I accepted. Now we want to move the next question. The question is, what are the allegation Kashi Singh made against Mondikana? Sexual harassment. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible because he tried to kissing and he tried to hacking also. One kind of way she might be made. Like I said, what are the allegations? Yeah, outraging the modesty. Yes, right answer, Silender, Diolia. Yes, right answer. Outraging section. No, I'm not asking section 354. Silender, I'm not asking section. I simply the modesty or not, sexual harassment or not, then we can find out. Yeah, insulting. Look at this. The word insulting mentioned by Harsh. Yes, absolute right one. Modesty is the right one. Yeah, there it is possible. Mental harassment. Yeah, mental cruelty. Yes, Arun Kumar, right one. Stalking. Yes, it is possible. 354, we can try to use it. Yes, stalking also possible because he's staring na in the meeting after he tried to she's not ready to accept the hacking. Yeah, kissing without kiss na, that is also offensive, but how we will say it? Sexual harassment, we use that one. Kiss misusing. Yeah, maybe cheating. Is it okay? The term is cheating, or what exactly I want to say that sexual assault. Yes, assault, it should be there. The assault may be one of the options is available. She can make it allegation. Misusing power of domination. Yes, that is also right answer because the Mondikana is the manager, so he's trying to misusing his power. Intimating. Wait. Intimating her. Intimation. Okay, so some kind of way. Okay, intimating. Sexual assault at workplace. Yes, we can accept. Adultery. Yes. Why he used adultery? Sambhavi, is it any idea? Please speak something about adultery. Ah, yes, he was married. Yes, absolutely right. He was married, so he might be try to marry again. Okay, yes, that also possible chance is there. Try to take unlawful advantage. Yes, Arun Kumar, that is absolute right. And Baijanji, she mentioned quid pro quo sexual harassment. Yes, yes, that is also absolute right one. The legal term, yes. Harsh also mentioned the same thing. I think quid pro. Yes, yes. Career progress. Yes, yeah. She also tried to make it allegation. Yes. Undue influence. Yes, yes. Right one. Undue influence also one of the legal term. Yes, it should be a possible allegation. Any other? Any other? Please try. Whatever the possible allegation, whatever through her statement, whatever you can try to find out. Try to use your brain. Whatever. Baijanji, I need your help. Do one thing. Whatever they made this allegation term, legal terms, try to make it. Try to try. Then you should message like 1, 2, 3. Na? Last time I think who mentioned that one? Just wait. I will look at it. That name. 1 minute. Just wait. I will find out that guy. The way na, who are the involved person he mentioned. No, 1, 2, 3 number wise. I can, yeah, yeah, like look at this. Abhay Chachanna, he mentioned number one, the person Kashi Singh, number two, that kind of way, all the allegation, the word allegation, particularly cruelty, sexual harassment, those kind of way, na, please type it. Finally, I will go to read it your answer only. Pajanji, I said do this instruction to you only. So try to find out those exactly those legal term sexual harassment, misusing power, intimating, sexual assault, workplace, adultery, then unlawful advantage, misusing, quid pro quo, career progress, undue influence, those things try to, yeah, threatening, yes, that right answer, threatening against the woman, that is also threatening to the woman also, is physical force, something it is involved, so you can make that threatening to her also, that kind of allegation also should be possible. According to me, it is possible. Then we will discuss. Yes, I realized that after typing and sending. Yeah, okay, okay, yeah, no problem, no problem. Baijanti, please make it. Okay, the point wise now 1, 2, 3. You should make it after this question. When we go to start next question, I will ask to you. You want to submit end of the answer. Any other? Any other, please? Just wait. I want to ask one person. Akash already. Yeah, Akash. Did you find out any answer? Please tell me over the voice, please. Akash Banchal. You should tell me some answer. What do you find out? Allegation. What are the allegation? It is possible. Akash Panchal, please unmute and you should say something. Akash, anything, whatever. If already they said na, at least you should pronounce it. At least you should say something. What kind of allegation she can make it? I didn't find anything. What kind of answer this Akash? I said you should say something. What kind of allocation it is possible? Already we mentioned. I said more than 8 or 9 action. Please speak something.
Sir, actually,
Akash,
I didn't read anything
you
yet.
didn't get anything.
No, sir, not now.
Why?
Sir, I
What?
am unable to take class now. I'm out of my village.
Out of my village mean in the sense, okay, at least
I'm traveling. Actually, I'm traveling. That's why I'm not get anything.
okay, okay, I said some of the words right regarding legal term allegation, some sexual harassment, some of the allegation I said right.
Sir, actually, I have some problem in my phone, so I could not get some voice in 12 to 20 minutes. That's why I'm unable to
No,
say
this is
anything.
not right way. This is not right way. When you are attending the
Sorry,
class,
sir.
na,
Sorry,
at
sir.
least you want to listen something, right? In the mention, na, simply you are attending this mean joining with the class is not an active participation. Akash, you want to at least
Sorry,
hear.
sir.
Now you are speaking to me, right? At least in the
Yes,
type
sir.
box, just look at the chat box in your mobile or in your this whatever you have the system. Na, it is showing that one. This is irresponsible
Yes,
kind of. It's really not good way. I want to say that when I said some of the words sexual harassment, I said adultery, I said,
yes.
then no, I read about louderly. You simply said, I don't know anything, I didn't get anything. That is mean it's not right way.
Sorry, sir. I will take
No,
care.
no, you might be travel. You want to take care of everyone. Should be everyone. I speak something and your friends are typing. If you look at this chat box, those message. Just wait, just look at this, the screen. Look at this
Yes,
Harsh.
sir.
Harsh Pradap, he typed 5 action. One is insulting the modesty of a woman. The second was sexual harassment at workplace. Quite,
Yes, sir.
quite pure dominance, etc. He mentioned it. Then sexual harassment number third. Fourth, stalking. Fifth, adultery. Yeah,
So
can you,
I do plans.
please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Akash, please repeat at least 3.
Sir, under influence, adultery is no more offense.
No,
Okay, sir.
listen first. First, I said the word. Please repeat at least the allegation. I read about it, right? Just now, just we will discuss later whether this action under the adultery or not. We can discuss. Discuss, right? But I simply said what kind of allegations she can make against Mandi Kanna. What are the possible? You understood the possibilities? Okay. What are the possibilities? Only I asked. So I pronounced five action. At least five already said. Just to repeat at least two, three action, two, three allegation, at least two.
Sir, under influence
Yes, yes, right one, under influence.
was sexual harassment.
Yes, sexual harassment, absolute right.
Was
One, one more, please. I expected at least one more, at least three. Yeah, one more. Modesty.
sir,
As per the we
adultery.
said, yeah, adultery and modesty of a woman already, and stalking also already your friend they mentioned, right? Okay, okay. The next question we will go by Jandi. You should type after you should message. The next question is just wait. Where did the events occur? Where did the events occur? The place. Regarding place,
Sir,
just comment.
So at the hotel.
Yes, yes, yes. Akash, thank you so much. Just peacefully listen. Please try to participate. If you have the headphone, just use at least when you might be traveling, it's really very difficult. I understood about problem, but do one thing at least if passionate, just to try to listen because this exercise is going to help to you because while presenting na chief examination or class examination, it's very helpful to you. This, yeah, just listen and peacefully. Then next question, to discuss which place the action was occurred or involved the places we will go to discuss about it. So one person, Arun Kumar, yes, Arun Kumar mentioned left. Yeah, yeah, please, please, don't disturb. Yeah, please, if you everybody speaking, it's really. Yeah, begin at office. Yes, right one. The office, a taxi, lift up the hotel. Yes, right answer. Yes, car, right answer. Hotel rooftop. Yes, the party was happening rooftop. That is also one place. Yeah, lift. She pushed you away, then she left up the lift. Yes, lift also one of the right answer. Hotel is the right place. Yes, right answer. Hugging at office. Is it office? Where he tried to hacking? Yes, that office place. Yes, yeah. Once he, the birthday time, I think. Yes, that is also right answer. Office, cab, hotel, lift. Yes, yes, yes. Any other finding? Please, any other possibilities? The place where the action was involved. Yes, at office. Yes, right answer. So what everybody want to do it, the research is should be the factual analysis should be each and every WH question should be option. So each and every time while reading any fact, that statement should be analyze yourself. Okay. So where, when, which place, whoever involved person, and whatever the legal terms, okay, whatever the allegation possibilities you want to analyze yourself. While doing this analytical, then you will find out something, the allegation. For example, while discussing with Akash, he says, sir, the adultery is not possible because the case might be, sorry, the section might be unconstitutional. Maybe he might be try to mention that the latest Supreme Court judgment, last year judgment, the adultery judgment, I think so. According to my understanding, Akash tried to mention that adultery, the provision might be unconstitutional. I think he tried to say that, but I don't know what exactly in his entire idea, but he said the word only. So that's why I said adultery related subject matter. So finally, the allegation point when we come to this place now, which place, for example, if it is the private place, now some evidence issues there. If it is public place, many people evidence available. If it is a personal car, only two people involved. Sorry, three people: the driver and Mondikanna and the girl Kashish Singh. So driver, what will be happen? He might be worried about the job, so he tried to avoid something. He might be disclose the information, maybe, but we cannot say it because he's a stranger, right? If it is cab, particularly the private car, na, so that is another person. You cannot find out who is the car driver, so you should simply say the driver only. No, sir, house is not in the important place. Is silent there. I said, I said, what are the places? Just getting the ideas for the incident. It's not a place in incident. Yes, yes. I'm not going to deep into discuss. Just the places only I asked because we want to do it. Because while cross examination, for example, Silender, somebody said the action was happening in office. So you should say no, no, the action not happen exactly in the office. The action, particularly the incident, whatever the allegation incident was, where exactly happened, you want to argue at the time of cross examination or chief examination at the time. That is entirely different. I'm not going to do that argument now. Just how to do the factual research. You understand about that? Here, that research experience, the research, how to do it. The research matlab, when you have the fact, you want to do two kind of. One is factual analytical, the other one is legal analytical. I will come out next legal analytical, legal research related one. First, factual analytical research one only. I'm saying now, I'm discussing now here regarding factual analysis. What are the questions should be asked? How can we will go to gather the information? But once we gather the information, we want to think about the possibilities. Then we want to try to make the allegation. While making the allegation, we want to try to look at the act also. For example, we simply say sexual harassment. The definition is there. What kind of action should be sexual harassment? So, judgment is there. Some guidelines is there. Some act is there. Under the IPC, some explanation is there. Some illustration is there. If you say it is sexual harassment or stalking, under 354D, something says about the sexual, sorry, stalking. What are the actions should be stalking? Where should be this? Some of the illustration should be there. So next, that is legal research. But factual analysis wise, before making the allegation or cause of action, the cause of action only make the legal action, right? The legal action should be the punishable or unpunishable, maybe fine, maybe imprisonment, maybe rigorous, something different one, right? So that is next level. The first level factual analysis. So that's why I tried to explain here this one paragraph. Why I asked whoever involved person, which place, what time, what kind of allegation is possible, what are the places involved, those kind of question I asked, the basic question, right? So do one thing. I will make it a small assignment to everyone. Just wait. This is Google Meet, right? Yeah, Google Classroom. I close. Can I close now? This there's Mantikan, sorry, Kashi statement. There is no problem. I think so. I closed this one. Just wait. Look at this, your class, not section E. I'm going to the class work. Particularly, I will go to make this create assignment. Everyone want to do it. Factual. Just wait. Factual finding. First question. Just I will copy. I will paste here. Yes, this factual question. Instruction I gave to this question, right? Factual finding. Everyone want to find out the particularly who involved, what is involved, and when did the events occur, and where did the event occur, why did the event occur. Some answer, whatever you find out with your understanding. Everyone want to try to write at least. Otherwise, you should type. There is no problem. But everyone submit. Okay, look at this here. All student I mentioned particularly the date when the next class is Monday, right? I will go to fix the date is Monday. I already give it here. Everyone, time is not option, but yes, please. Yeah, please. Any question?
So regarding the last question, like the why did the participants act in this way? So we have to answer from the Kashif's point of view, or maybe from the Monty's point of view also.
Yeah, you should make it a Kassis point of view also, as well as Montikana point of view also. There is no problem because the statement based on Kassis. Okay, you should try to do Kassis point of view. The statement belonging to whom? Kashish Singh,
Okay,
right?
sir.
So
From
regarding
Kashif's point of view.
yeah, Kashish point of view. So the date already fixed. Time what exactly? Before this, when the class our time? Class time Monday. Before class, right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Monday class time. Time, please. Anyone tell me Monday class time? Anybody, please? Just wait. I will look at the calendar. Then I will find out. Monday. This is Monday. Yes. Where is exactly? Yeah, 7th Monday. But this section here, right? Yeah, 12:30 time. Before 12:30, everyone try to submit. Okay.
So we have to write point
Yes,
wise
sir. Yes,
like
sir.
pageant
Yes,
said.
yes, point wise. Question number one, you should make it. Question number two, what is involved? Try to make it. When did the event occur? Question number three, question number four, question number five, question number six. Whatever your possibilities option, possibilities answer. Highest answer should be. I will show to you highest answer, right? But try to do your best. Your best. I said the word your best, not my best. Whatever the possibility answer. Okay, it's not exactly accurate answer. Whatever the possibilities answer, try to make it. Okay, just wait. I will do it first. I will finish it. Yes. Assignment. What exactly the topic? I want to make it. No, I don't want to do this one. This is okay. Okay. Topic. Just wait. I will type it. Otherwise, why? What is the problem? Factual finding answer. Factual. Okay, this should be viewable to assign. Look at this. I gave the assign. Just to go to the Google Classroom, everyone already added person only can viewable. If who are not added already, please intimate to them also. And look at this, the person number na. Look at this 69 already there. So those 69 people just to go to the classwork, you can find out this particularly the classroom na action wise. It is there. The assignment. Look at this factual finding is there. Just to go to click it and the question should be available. Otherwise, the PDF also available. Now, no one turn it. Assign 69 number. Okay, I assign to everyone. So try to write if it is possible, or at least type. There is no problem. Maybe write and put it the PDF file. There is no problem. Okay, but everyone want to do it. That is the important assignment to today. Everyone Monday want to submit before 12:30. This is assignment today. Okay. Now you may leave, you might be have the next class. Right? Yes. Any question, please?
So please guide how to write and submit the answer on the Google Classroom, sir. As I am not like used to work on the Google Classroom.
Comment section, comment is there, right? Comment section is there, right? If you look at this, many of your friend already the message in the comment section. Just wait, I will tell you. Mhm. If you look at this, wait. Look at this Silender particular place. Look at this comment section. They message right. Thank you, sir. Abhay Chachan, he message comment section. Comment section, your message will be visible to me. Silender saying thank you, sir. He message and in the comment section. Comments it is there in the option. If you go to that place, the comment is available. You can write. There is no problem. At least MS Word पे type करो, send करो, problem नहीं है. आप PDF करो, then send करो. There is no problem. Then you can send it to me. There is no problem. Or you can type in the